Upbeat music plays. A camera zooms in on the host, standing between two tables, one with the RBC17 and the other with the BE650G1. Hey there, Buy Smart fam! Welcome back to our channel where we help you make better buying decisions so you don't end up with a product that has more problems than your last relationship. Today, we're diving into the world of uninterruptible power supplies. We have the trusty RBC17 on my left and the powerhouse BE650G1 on my right. So grab your popcorn, because things are about to get electrifying. First up, let's talk about money. The RBC17 is selling for a cool $56. That's less than a fancy dinner date. Reviewers appreciate the RBC17 for its affordability and effectiveness as a replacement battery. On the right, we have the BE650G1, which is priced at $99. That's like taking your date to a five-star restaurant and then ordering instant noodles for yourself. Customers feel this price is justified, considering its functionality and reliability during outages. Now let's get into functionality. The RBC17 is a replacement battery, meaning it's like that one friend who always shows up when you need them but never sticks around for the fun. It restores runtime and maintains your UPS's performance. Reviewers have expressed satisfaction with its ease of installation and effectiveness. In contrast, the BE650G1 is a full-fledged battery backup and surge protector. It's like that friend who not only shows up, but also brings snacks and a karaoke machine. With 650 VA, 390W of backup power, and 8 outlets, it's ready to party. Users praise its ability to keep essential devices running during power outages and its overall reliability. Now, let's talk about connectivity. The BE650G1 has Ethernet data link surge protection, so if your Wi-Fi goes down, it's not because your UPS is sulking in the corner. Many reviewers highlight how it keeps their internet devices functional during outages. Meanwhile, the RBC17 is like your introverted friend. Great in a crisis, but doesn't really connect with anyone. It's straightforward and does its job without fussing about the details, which is appreciated by users looking for a simple battery replacement. Installation time. The RBC17 is hot swappable, which means you can replace it without any downtime. Reviewers have found the replacement process quick and easy, often alleviating annoying beeping noises. But the BE650G1, well, it's wall-mountable and has a 5-foot power cord, which means you can hang it on the wall like a piece of modern art or trip over it 10 times on your way to the fridge. Users mention that the setup is straightforward and intuitive, making it a hassle-free experience. Compatibility is key. The RBC17 works with a ton of models, so it's like that universal remote that actually works with everything. Many users have successfully replaced their old batteries with the RBC17 without issues. Meanwhile, the BE650G1 can use the RBC17 as a replacement battery. But let's be real. If you're gonna buy a replacement battery, you might as well have the original model to begin with. Otherwise, it's like putting a Honda engine in a Ferrari. Sure, it's a nice engine, but it's not gonna take you to the moon. Customers appreciate the ease of compatibility with their essential devices. Overall, the RBC17 is highly praised for its affordability and effectiveness as a replacement battery, while the BE650G1 receives accolades for its versatility and reliable performance during outages. So what's the verdict? If you're looking for a reliable replacement battery, the RBC17 is your go-to buddy, cheap and effective. But if you want a full-on power backup system with surge protection, then the BE650G1 is your party starter. Let us know in the comments which one you'd choose and why. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss our electrifying comparisons. Until next time, stay powered up and buy smart. The upbeat music plays as the screen fades to black with the channel logo and links to other videos.